Good morning, dear students. In my last video, I completed the theory or synopsis part of reflection at plane waves. Today, I would like to do a few problems. So, let us do the first problem. Here, the problem number 1, to solve this its solution, right? What we have to do? Two vertical plane mirrors are inclined at an angle of 60 degree with each other. Two plane mirrors are inclined at 60 degree. A ray of light traveling horizontally is reflected first from one mirror and then from the other. The resultant deviation is like this. They have given two plane mirrors. This is one, and this is the second plane mirror. So they are inclined with an angle of 60 degree. Like this. A ray of light incident on the first plane mirror. A ray of light incident on the first plane mirror like this. So after reflection, it falls on the second. Then it goes like this. So what is the angle of deviation they are asking? This is the angle of deviation. As we know that in my class I told you the angle of deviation is given by 360 minus 2 theta. 360 minus 2 theta. Theta is given how much? Write given quantity here. Theta is given, that is 60 degree. So please put 60 degree here. Your answer is 360 minus 2 into 60. So that is 360 minus 120. So that is nothing but 240 degrees your answer. 240 degrees is the answer. 240 degrees is the answer. Degrees is the answer, right? 240 degree. Something has happened. This is so all of you have studied. So sorry for this. Something has happened, right? So our answer is delta. Delta is equal to 360 minus 2 theta is the formula. After solving is what? 240 degree is the answer, right? Next. What should be the angle between the two plane mirrors so that whatever be the angle of incidence, the incident ray and the reflected ray must be parallel to each other. So like this. So assume that this is one plane mirror and this is another. Plane mirror and this is another plane mirror. This angle you have to calculate. In condition given, area of light incident on the one plane mirror after reflection from the second, it emerges parallel to the first like this. Look here one ray is going this and this. So here the angle of deviation is 180 degree. This you should clearly know. Because a ray is going like this direction and after reflection it is going like this. So angle of deviation is 180 degree. So angle of deviation is how much here? 180 degree. Then what is the formula for angle of deviation? That is 360 minus 2 theta. Theta you have to calculate. So that is 2 theta is equal to 360 minus 180 is 180. So it means theta is equal to 90 degree. So the answer is this 180 degree, right? Next, go for the next problem. A light bulb is placed between the two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degree. These are the two plane mirrors. So what is the angle of incidence? 60 degree. And a bulb is placed here. How many images are formed? As I already told you, to find the number of images, first you have to find capital N, that is 360 by theta. So 360, what is theta? 60. So this is how much? 6. It is an even number. It is a condition for even number. The number of images formed in the case of even number is 360 by theta minus 1. So 360 by theta is how much? 6 minus 1. So number of images is 5. Very good. Number of images is 5. Next. Here is a question. A thick plane mirror shows the number of images of the filament of a thick plane mirror. First draw a thick plane mirror like this. So this is a thick plane mirror. And mirror should be polished on one side. So like this it is thick plane, right? And a bulb is placed here. Here somewhere here a bulb is placed, right? So which the number of images of the filament of an electric bulb are formed. The brightest image is when a ray of light incident like this. After reflection it enters inside. Again it reflects here. It transmits here. And again it reflects here. Again it will come and it will transmit like this. The number of images are formed. Okay. So go on. You can extension this mirror. We can write this as a ray. It will come like this. It will go like this. So first image, second, like this. So many images are formed. Like this. Look here. And here I have to draw one more ray. This is the first image, this second image. Right? So here if 100% of incident light, among the 100, 10% is reflected and 90% is transmitted because it is transparent body. So here plane mirror completely reflected. So 90% comes this side. Among this 80% is transmitted, 10% is reflected. Look at this. So throughout this 80% comes here. Among 10%, this 10%, out of 10%, again what happens here? That 8% comes this side, say 9% comes this side, and 1% comes this side, like this. So like this, what we have to do? So look at this. More light is here. This image. That's the second image is the brightest image. Because transmit always whenever on any surface, if a ray of light falls, okay, if reflection and refraction takes place at this surface, if it is a transparent body, then the 10% of the incident light get reflected and the remaining percentage is transmitted. Here after reflection again 80% and 10%. So this will get the more light. So this second image is the brightest image. My son is doing some disturbance and they ignore. A man runs towards the mirror at 15 meters per second. The speed of the image related to the man, as I already told, double. If a man runs towards the mirror with speed v, the image with respect to the object is 2v. 2v means there is 30 meters per second. A man of length h requires mirror to his own complete image. At least, as I already told you, if here is a man of height h, then he requires a mirror of height h by 2 to see his complete image. We already discussed it in our theory part. Like this, I have divided. So this is one, but here you can see 4 portions. So this h is h by 2. So answer is h by 2. Next, what is the focal length of the plane mirror? Focal length of plane mirror is infinite because this plane mirror means, look here, ray of light. If this is, then you can find its focal length somewhere here. Okay, parallel rays falls and converges. It is focal length, but as for a plane mirror, it is infinite. Focal length of plane mirror is infinite because this plane mirror never converges. Next, a ray of light incident at 50 degree on the middle of one of the 2 mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Take this side. So this is one mirror. And this is one mirror. And this. So just take the eraser. So this is this as just take some extension. Area of the area of light incident at an angle of 50 degree, like this. Area of light also. This angle is 50 degree, right? After reflection, say the angle between the two mirrors is 60 degree. So here, after reflection from this mirror, this ray will go straight like this. It falls here. Again it reflects from here to the surface. And again it reflects here. He is asking how much angle this ray. What is asking? The ray touches the second mirror, get reflected back to the first mirror, making an angle of incidence. This angle is theta. This is theta, then this is 90 minus theta. This is 50, then this is also 50. And this angle is 40 degree. Look at this. Here also reflection is taking place. I take this angle as beta. So this angle is also beta. And this angle is alpha. If this is 60, this is 40. Then what is alpha? Alpha is 80 degree. This angle is 80 because it's a triangle. You can see this is A, B, C, and D. So this is a triangle. So 100 and remaining is 80. Look at here. If this is 80, this is normal line, right? This line is normal line. If this is 80, then this is 10 degree. This is 10 and this is also 10. This total angle is how much? 80 plus 10% is 100 degree. This total triangle A, B, D triangle, this is 60, this is 100. And what is this angle? 90 minus theta? 160. Look here. 90 minus theta is equal to, this is already 160. So remaining angle is 20 degree. So that is this 90 minus theta. What is that? 60 plus 100 plus 90 minus theta is equal to 180. Like this. Okay. Then what you have to do? This is also correct. This 90. Sorry. This is some technical problem. This is happening. Why I don't know this is happening? I have touched something like that. Maybe my iron is completely wrong. I will try it once again. Okay. I will check next time this should not happen. Right. Maybe I am touching somewhere. So this is one. This is sorry.
Sorry. God.
So this is the area of the incident here. It will go here. After reflection from here, it will go like this. This angle we have to calculate, right? As I already told you, this is 100. This is 60, and this angle is 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta is 20. So this theta is equal to 90 minus 20. So that is 70 degree. This is a plane mirror makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Right? Let us take the last problem. Say this is a horizontal line and this is a plane mirror. This plane mirror inclines, makes an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. If a ray of light falls vertically like this, imagine that if it falls vertically like this, then this angle is also 30 degree. Because when this angle reduces to 0, this normal line touches this line. If a ray of light falls like this along the normal, this is a normal incidence. If I lift this to this, then this ray will become like this, and this is the normal line. If this angle is 30, this angle is also 30. This angle is also 30. So for that reason, this is the angle of reflection. Like this. So this angle is also 30. What is the angle between the mirror and the reflected? This angle is asking. This total angle is 90, so this remaining angle is 60 degree. The answer is 60 degree. So friends, next I will improve the diagrams wherever it is necessary. Okay. I conclude with this. Next I will go for the concave and convex mirror. Thank you. Bye.